Good morning from the Amazon. And today we have plans to go to Ruta de los Sueños right now in the morning. We have had amazing breakfast, and why I'm saying amazing breakfast because I cooked it. And we will be exploring the town in the evening. So I would say stay tuned for more exciting things from the Amazons. This is Ruta de los Sueños, and this is just the beginning. You have to see our guide who only speaks Spanish, and my husband Amit, who doesn't understand Spanish. They're communicating so well with a lot of gestures and actions. I'm going to show you how that looks.
Ocelot?
Yeah, it's okay.
Ocelot, opossum?
Yeah.
Zorro?
Sí, Zorro. Muchos,
Zorro,
sí.
muchos, ¿ah?
Sí.
Ah,
Otros también. Guanta, guatusa,
Watusa.
puerco.
Sloth?
Ya, ok.
There is Harpy's eagle?
Ya, ok.
Oh, okay. Alright, good. This is one of the pristine parts of Amazon, right here in a place called Tena in Ecuador, and we are right now standing under a sub-cave system which houses a lot of Amazonian parakeet species. And if you can see, these are some of those caves that the parakeets use, and you see the bunch returning. Pretty noisy. Sea rock, sedimenta,
Sí.
sandstone.
Ya.
Is this volcanic?
Volcanic, sí.
Volcanic.
Sí.
See, muchas.
Muchos,
And the parrots come here
Sí, solo para.
and they keep
Sí.
their eggs.
Ya.
Whoever, eggs, and the small ones come out of this.
Sí.
And then are there vipers like snakes, serpent?
Siempre para abajo. Arriba no. Solo abajo.
So if they fall down,
Sí.
amazing.
Del mundo. Normalmente en las comunidades no tenían peinilla, utilizaban esto para.
Oh,
Ah.
so use it
Sí.
as a comb.
And monkeys use
Sí,
this? Los
a
monos.
Grooming.
Sí.
Ah,
Los
La
monos.
madre sí.
that's
Ah.
actually
¿Puedo ver, por favor? Sí.
that's actually what he's saying. The monkeys using a tool for grooming is basically to increase their social interaction and bonds.
Ah,
And they're
okay.
using tools. So, and that's why they said as primates, which are the closest to humans, being social animals.
Uh-huh.
El árbol que camina se mueve en el año por 5 a 7 centímetros, porque la raíz va cambiando, entonces va retrocediendo.
Entonces la gente dice que el árbol que
Que camina, sí.
which means the tree that walks.
Oh, because it has those.
5 to 7 centimeters they grow. So
Oh, wow.
Depende del sol.
it depends on the sun, obviously, like the light.
So it's a species of palm.
Yeah.
Wow.
Y la gente lo utiliza para las casas, para las bases, porque es material muy duro
Para construir,
para construir las casas.
to build houses, they use this wood.
Wood, because it's strong.
Y también para hacer armas, para
Ah.
flechas, cerbatana, lanzas, con este material muy fuerte, muy duro.
Okay.
Esto es una goma.
Mhm.
Ya, esto en la piel.
Ajá.
¿Ya?
Para.
Ah.
Tiene cortes. Yeah.
If you have a cut, you can put this.
Oh,
This
so
is
it's
like a glue.
like an
so-
antiseptic.
Sí,
Ah,
No la piel ya pega.
muchas.
That's nice.
Muchas gracias.
Entonces esto no deja cicatrices cuando tiene un corte. Mira su mano.
Ujú.
Esta es una crema.
Oh. Oh, that's like
Okay.
A
Yeah.
veces la gente, este debe sacar muy temprano, por la mañana. Por la mañana sale más rápido, más bastante. Ahora porque es por la tarde, ya el agua, el líquido ya está por arriba.
Entiendo.
Sí,
smells good too.
sí. Y puedes probar, mira.
No quiero probar. You can eat this.
Sweet, dulce.
Es dulce. No es dulce, es un poco
Nice.
amarga.
Oh. Mm.
Y entonces tú puedes beber. Para. No, otro.
Finally, after a 4-hour grueling, extremely grueling trek, we're reaching the Mirador, which is nothing but view that you can see of the Amazon. And that was all worth it. That was all worth it.
So we are halfway through, and after 4 hours of very hectic trekking, we have finally reached here. This is Mirador. I'm going to show you the view from this point. So I don't know if you can see, but this is the view. That's the Amazon. And as I said, it's just halfway right now. From here we are quite high, I would say. So from this point we would be getting down, and then we will be getting into the river. I didn't want to reveal this, but now I'm so tired, and there are so many things that I just couldn't record because it was so difficult to walk also on these roads. I would just say, if you're scared of heights, if you are not a trekker, if your knees hurt or whatever physical, if you think you're not fit, whatever it is, do not skip this trek. It's amazing. It will give you the real experience of Amazon forest, the rainforest feel, because it's so humid. We are literally sweating. So I would just say, don't skip and stay tuned for more exciting updates. See you.
when you do a trek grueling and you run out of water, the best thing that you can do is drink directly from those really cold streams. Water is so sweet and so refreshing. I recommend everyone to do this at least once in their lifetime.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah, I know, it's so sweet. Okay, so we're gonna walk now. We've completed almost 80% of the trek, and we're gonna walk through this cavern, which is filled with water. And at point, in some of the places, we literally have to swim. We're getting everything in our dry bags, okay? And our camera, Jaimin over here. Hi, Jaimin. He's helping us getting my camera into the dry bag. We're gonna go neck deep in water. And how are you feeling?
I'm that tired, but really excited. Really looking forward to finish these last 30 minutes and get into my bed and just change these clothes.
Okay, all right, so let's see you on the other side. This is the part where we go swimming in this cavern. If you can see, the water is pretty deep right in the middle, but we have to go do a dash. You see those bags? That's where our cameras and everything is right there, okay? They're floating and they'll see us at the end of the cavern. See you guys, first time in Amazon doing this. Wish me luck.
Que vaya empujando las bolsitas.
This just shows how happy we are at the end of the trek. Ciao.